So I'm here inside my car trying to just get a quick video. We've got very frigid temperatures, about 10 degrees, right? 9 degrees. And it's super windy out, and it's blowing up all the dust, blowing up all the farm field dirt, dust and dirt. As you can see, it's pretty incredible today. The video probably won't do justice to how it looks. And on my ride home down Route 47 in Hadley, so this is not Route 47, but I'm on my way to it. I thought this was a good spot to get an idea of the dust that's traveling across the valley today. Well, anyway, there it is. A Dust Bowl day here in Hadley and the Pioneer Valley.